Hey guys, my Ipsy for the month of March finally arrived. So today we're going to unbox it, so let's see what's inside. I'm sorry this video is so late in the month. This came a little later than usual, but as always I have everything pulled up on my phone so I can tell you guys what I picked, what Ipsy chose for me, and I think I have some add-ons. Here's the inside of the box. I hope everything's okay. Nothing's really like packaged too safely looking. First item I picked, and it is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen with SPF 40. I've never tried Supergoop. I've only tried the e.l.f. dupes, so I'm actually very excited to try actual Supergoop and see how this goes. I've been really proud of myself because I have been using sunscreen every single day for the past almost year. All my life I've always been really bad about sunscreen. I've started to use it now that I'm getting older, but I'm very excited to try Supergoop because I'm almost out of my e.l.f. one also. The next product that I chose was the Mud Masky Heat Protecting Hair Serum. So this says it's for damaged hair, but what I thought was cool is that it's a heat protecting hair serum, so I thought why not. I'm also running low on my heat protectant, but this is pH balance, protecting, moisturizing, reduces frizz, adds shine, and nourishing. That's just like all things I love for my hair, especially reducing frizz because it's been very frizzy here because some days it's cold and some days it's very hot and humid, but I'm very excited to give this a try. And then the last item that I chose is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. I forgot that I chose this and I'm so happy that I chose this because I'm running out of my other First Aid Beauty cleanser, the red clay one. I also love that. So this one is great for sensitive skin. I think I've used this before and I really did like it. This cleanser in particular is going to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities and leave the skin feeling clean and not tight or dry, which is the best. Again, I've said this before and I will say it again. First Aid Beauty makes the best skincare products and every product is worth every penny. The first thing that Ipsy chose for me is the Laura Geller Laura's Essentials Candy Cravings palette. This palette looks absolutely stunning. I thought I had this already, but I do not, and I am so excited to use it. So it's a 12 pan eyeshadow palette and you get a blush and a highlight. This palette looks like it is completely right up my alley and I'm so excited to use it. I'm going somewhere next weekend and I wanted to do a kind of like darker brown smoky eye, and this has all the shades that I want to use, so I'm very excited to use this. So if you're new to my channel, every single week I use a different eyeshadow palette. If you watch my Get Ready With Me shorts, I have so many palettes. And whenever I get a new one, especially in my Ipsy, like that's the one I'll use for the following week. So I'm, like I said, so excited to use this. This looks absolutely gorgeous. The second item Ipsy chose for me is the Alamar Cosmetics Plumping Lip Water. This looks really pretty, so I'm gonna try it on for you guys. And I'm also going to put the shade name on the screen because I don't know how to say it, but this is the shade name. Like I said, it will be on the screen as well. I really like the packaging. This is what the applicator looks like. It's a nice one that'll actually hug the lip. Oh, it goes on clear. Okay, if you guys remember like these lip oils, this is what this reminds me of texture-wise. I don't know if it's in my head, if there's a plumping effect, but I like this. I will be using it a lot. Next up is the Beauty Boost, and this is the Ola Henriksen Banana Bright Instant Glow Moisturizer. This has gold complex vitamin C and niacinamide. I'm very excited to try it out. I just want to see if it smells like banana. It does not smell like banana, but I don't know what it smells like. I really like the packaging. It's very like fun and summery. Kind of reminds me of like a sunset, but this sounds amazing. My skin has been loving vitamin C and niacinamide product, except I have two add-ons. The add-ons were actually pretty decent this month. There was a lot of really good choices, but these were just two things I really want. First up is this Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss in the shade Velvet. I love these lip glosses. I think they're so good. I've purchased a couple from Sephora and I've gotten a couple in my Ipsys, but I really, really like the doe foot. It's so nice and small and really just hugs the lips perfectly. The colors are just so pretty. They're very pigmented glosses. So let's swatch this one on the lips. Oh, this is a really pretty nude. They smell good. I love these. I just love Lawless Beauty. I think their products are amazing. But if there is a lipstick shade close to this, please let me know in the comments down below. Like, look at how pretty this is. For me, this is a perfect nude. I love this lip gloss. This is going to become a new staple. And last add-on I got is the Alice Brooklyn Vanilla Milk perfume. It's just a little mini. I've always wanted to try Alice Brooklyn, and one of my friends says it smells so good, and I trust her judgment because she always smells really good. But I just thought vanilla, this smells like actual vanilla that you bake with. Why can't I think of what that's called? But that is what this smells like. I really like this. I love to add like vanilla or just sweet to any perfume that I'm wearing just for that little extra boost to sweetness. So I'm very excited to add this to my perfume collection that's back there. But I also wanted to see if I liked Alice Brooklyn because the Sephora sale's coming up and also my birthday's coming up, and I know my mom's gonna want birthday present ideas. So if I like this, possibly might be adding this to my birthday list. So that was my March Ipsy. The 3 products I'm most excited to use are the First Aid Beauty Cleanser, this Mud Masky Hair Serum, and this gorgeous Laura Geller palette. I think this box definitely made up for last month's box because last month was so meh. But I also felt like February was a very meh month. So I'm glad they redeemed themselves. Tell me what your favorite product was in the comments down below. And if you get Ipsy, tell me what you got. Did we get anything the same? Did you get anything different? I love talking about the boxes in the comments. And that is it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!